Damn. Wait, what about the strat? What about the strat? What time is it?
How do you feel about this?
Oh, 3 more minutes.
3 more minutes?
3 minutes.
Okay, let's go. How do you feel?
Damn.
Why are you clapping? Are you okay? I'll do it.
Okay, one more time. Pull that to me.
I got you.
I got this.
Explain to the people at home what happened.
Okay, so if y'all look at this, so basically the glitch is you're gonna put help and then home and then home and then we just get out.
Hey, how do you feel?
I really need to go to the bathroom.
How do you feel about this?
I feel Galarian right now. Hell no.
But we at the
But it's not
most fanciest Albertson.
Or GT3 RS.
We at the fancy
GT4.
We at the fanciest Albertsons here in all of Las Vegas. Let's go. What the frick? What do we do, guys? Filthy scalpers. Oh, they are. Look at that. Oh, hell no, bro. Oh, ano yun?
This. Yeah. Damn. We were late, guys. We could have bought this.
I don't know if we would have, but
Nothing.
uh-oh, guys. Go do it. Oh man.
And it's 10:15.
This is awesome. Some sauce. Yo. Here we go. Is this the dagger? Oh my god.
Not a single pack.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Actually nothing this whole time. That concludes the hunt. We got 0 at like 10 spots. Insane.
This is Arizona.
Oh hell nah. How do you feel?
Good.